Today we are going to complete exercise 3.3 remaining questions also. Now look at third question. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. First of all, you have to remember divisibility rule for 6. What is the divisibility rule for 6? If any number is divisible by 2 and 3, then that number is also divisible by 6. So indirectly you have to check for the divisibility rule for 2 and 3. Now take first question. 297,144. Then how to solve this question? See here. First we are going to check for divisibility by 2. What is the divisibility by 2 rule? If a unit's place is even number, means either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then that number is divisible by 2. Yes, in the given number, what is the unit's place? Unit's place of a given number is 4. So it is even number. 4 is a uneven number. That's why the given number is divisible by 2. Then check for divisibility rule of 3. Here what is the divisibility rule of 3? If a sum of digits in a given number are divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. So first find out sum of the digits of a number. So all the digits you have to add. 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. 2 plus 9 is how much? 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 7 is 18, plus 1 is 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 4 is 27. So we got sum of digits as 27. Is 27 divisible by 3? Yes, 27 is divisible by 3. 3 nines are 27. So the given number is divisible by 3. If you observe in both the cases, the given number is divisible by 2 and as well as divisible by 3. Therefore, the number is divisible by 6. Okay, like this you have to check for both divisible by 2 rule and divisible by 3 rule also. We will see one more question from this third bit. Second one. 1258. 1258. First of all, check for the divisibility rule for 2. Its units place is 8. So it is divisible by 2. Then go for the divisibility rule of 3. Sum of digits of a number is 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. So the given number is not divisible by 3 because we won't get 16 in 3 table. 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. In between 16 not there. Got it, children? So 16 is not there in 3 table, so that the given number is not divisible by 3. Finally, the given number is not divisible by 6 also because it is divisible by only 2 but not divisible by 3. But what is the rule for divisibility of 6? If a numbers or must and should be divisible by both 2 and 3, then only it is divisible by 6. So it is not divisible by 6. This is the way to solve third bit. All of you do remaining questions also. Okay. Now move to the fourth question. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. So you have to remember here divisibility rule for 11. What is the divisibility rule for 11? The sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places and their difference is either 0 or multiple of 11. Then that number is divisible by 11. Now we will see how to solve these type of questions. Look at first question, 5445. Now sum of the digits at odd places we are going to find first. So odd places means first place and then third place here. In the first place we have 5. In the third place we have digit 4. 5 plus 4 is how much? It is a 9. After that we are going to find out sum of digits at even places. Even places means here in the given number you have only 4 digits, second place and fourth place. Second place is a 4 and fourth place is a 5. 4 plus 5 is a how much? 4 plus 5 is a 9. Then the sum of digits at odd places is 9 and sum of the digits at even places also 9. Then find out the difference. The difference is 9 minus 9 we got 0. So according to rule of divisibility of 11 is the difference is either 0 or multiple of 11. So here we got difference as 0. Then what does it mean? The given number is divisible by 11. Okay. Now we will see one more question also from this fourth bit. B question. First for the given number, find out sum of the digits at odd places. What are the odd places here? The given number is 5 digit number. So first place, third place and fifth place. First place is a 1, third place is a 8, fifth place is a 4. So 1 plus 8 plus 4 is how much? It is 13. Next find out sum of the digits at even places. Even places means second place and fourth place. 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is how much? 2. Then find out the difference between these two answers. Difference is 13 minus 2 is a 11. We know according to the rule, if the difference is either 0 or multiple of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. So here we got difference as 11, then the given number is also divisible by 11. This is the way to solve fourth question. Then try to do remaining all questions also. Okay. Now we are moving to the next question, fifth question. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. Actually, we are going to find out the number which is divisible by 3 by using the given digits. For example, if you see first one, here first one is a blank, means we have to fill that blank with one of the digit. Okay, from 1 to 9. And next digits are 6, 7, 2, 4. Divisibility by 3. We know the rule is what? The rule is sum of digits. If a sum of digits are divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. So first of all find out sum of digits is, first one is a blank, leave it. Remaining digits 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. Okay, 6 plus 7 is a 13, 13 plus 2 is a 15, 15 plus 4 is a 19. If we add 2, then 19 becomes as a 21, because why we are going to add 2 only, why not 1, why not 3, like this. If you add 1 to the 19, it becomes a 20. We won't get 20 in a 3 table. So we will get 19 after which number we will get in 3 table? 21 only. So 19 plus 2 is becomes 21. So if you add 2 to the 19, then we will get 21. 21 is divisible by 3. So you have to fill the blank with the digit 2. It is a rule for divisibility of 3. Then for every 3 numbers, we will get the divisibility of 3. Means if you add 3 to this 2, then we will get the next divisible number by 3. So 2 plus 3 is a 5. You can fill the blank with the 5 also. Next, 5 plus 3 is a 8. You can fill the blank with 8 also. Means if you fill with a 2 or 5 or 8, these three numbers are must and should be divisible by 3. But what is the question? You have to find out the smallest number and you have to find out the greatest number, which you have to fill in the blanks, which make it divisible by 3. So the smallest number is a 2 and the greatest number is 8. You may have one doubt here. If you take 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 is how much? 11. 8 after 3 means 9, 10, 11. So 11 is a 2-digit number. That's why we have choice here up to 8 only. So the greatest number is a 8 and the smallest number is a 2. Like this, try to do next B question. Now move to the 6th question. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. We know the rule for 11. What is that? If the difference of sum of digits at odd places and sum of digits at even places is either 0 or multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Okay, now look at the first question. 92-389. This is a blank. You have to fill this blank with a single digit number. Okay, from 1 to 9. Now we are going to find out sum of digits at odd places first. Odd places means here if you take in the blank single digit, total this is a 6-digit number. So odd places means ones place not number, first number, third number and then fifth number. Ones place means again we will go for 9. Okay, that's why first number, third number, fifth number. First number is a 9, third number we don't know, keep it a question mark, and the fifth number is 8. Now question mark leave it, try to add remaining to 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is how much? It is a 17 plus something. Means in that question mark place you have to replace one digit. Okay, question mark you have to replace by one digit. So leave it. It is a 17 plus something. Next, try to find out sum of digits at even places. Even places means it is a 6-digit number. Then second place, fourth place, sixth place. What is the second place number? It is a 2. Fourth place is a 3. Sixth place is a 9. So 2 plus 3 is a 5. 5 plus 9 is a 14. Then you have to observe these both the values, 17 plus something and here it is a 14. What is the divisibility rule of 11? The difference either 0 or divisible by multiple of 11. Then if you see 17 plus something number is there and here it is a 14. Is there chance to get 0 here? No, because here in the second one, sum of digits at even places already you have 14. But sum of digits at odd places you have 17 plus one more digit. So this 17 plus one more digit means it is greater than a 14. So there is no chance to get here difference as a 0. Then we will go for the multiple of 11. Okay, what are the multiples of 11? Multiples of 11s are 22, 33, 44 like this. First we will check for the minimum value, that is a 22 or else 11 also. 11 is also multiple by itself, multiple to itself. So 11 also. Means difference you have to get 11 here. Okay. So already in the sum of the digits at even places you have 14. How to get 11? If you add 11 to this 14, we will get one number. 14 plus 11 is how much? 25. So the sum of the digits at odd places must and should be 25. Then only it is possible to get the difference as 11. So 25, already you have here 17. Then how much you have to add to 17 to get as 25? It is 8. 17 plus 8 becomes as a 25. Then the sum of digits at odd places becomes a 25. Sum of the digits at even places becomes as a 14. And the difference 25 minus 14 is a 11. Then only that given number is divisible by 11. So you have to fill that question mark or fill that blank with the number 8. If that number is 8, then the difference becomes 17 plus 8 is a 25 minus 14, it is 11. So our required number, our required missing number is 8. These all are the logical questions, Nana. You have to think more. So before going to solve these type of questions, you have to know these rules of divisibility. Okay, like this, try to solve 6th B question also. Okay.